This is legendary. As expected, Samsung is looking to shock the world by doing something that has never been done before. According to the latest rumors, Samsung will give the absolute brightest OLED display they have ever made to the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Yes, the S23 Ultra could have an E6 Super AMOLED display with up to 2200 nits of brightness. That is 200 nits brighter than the current panel that Samsung has given to the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Not just that, this new Super AMOLED display will be the first to have LTPO 3.0, meaning the display is not only the brightest ever but also the most efficient on any smartphone out there. We don't really know the exact features of the LTPO 3.0. It might have that multi-refresh rate technology that we talked about a couple of months ago, where our display was shown having multiple refresh rates depending on the part of the screen. I'm super excited to see how Samsung keeps pushing boundaries when it comes to the display innovation, and I can't wait to see how the S23 Ultra's display will look in real life. The rumor also says that Samsung will be utilizing the latest version of the Gorilla Glass that's going to have the absolute top protection performance when it comes to drops and scratches. Things just keep getting better and better, and well, according to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S23 series could be the first phones in the Android world to have satellite connectivity feature similar to the iPhone 14 lineup. This is an incredible safety feature that can be a great help when it's needed. We've already heard that Google is also looking to implement this with the Android 14, but since Samsung always beats Google when it comes to the latest feature implementation, it's very likely they could implement the satellite connectivity. It's very likely they could bring the satellite connectivity exclusively first time for the Galaxy S23 lineup. Now guys, it is done. Samsung has finally dethroned Apple in one key area by a pretty strong margin. We'll talk about it right after this. My new FlexiSpot E7 standing desk for the studio space is finally here, and I gotta say, wow, what a desk. I've said this before and I'll say it again, guys, a standing desk is an absolute game changer. With FlexiSpot's Black Friday sales currently going on, now is the best time to invest in a proper standing desk. The E7 is incredibly durable with crazy smooth movements thanks to the dual motor engines. It also comes with a whopping 15 years warranty, as it's been tested over 20,000 times. It can easily hold weight of up to 355 pounds. The custom LED screen with memory keys allows you to program different heights and adjustments effortlessly. It's suitable for a variety of needs throughout the day in different positions. Again, I highly recommend a standing desk to improve your health while working. The Black Friday sale is the perfect opportunity. It's gonna end in a few days, so definitely check it out right now. The link is in the description. Alrighty, looking at the absolute latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 GPU benchmark scores, we can see that Samsung and Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, they are quite a bit ahead compared to the Apple A16. Not just Samsung and Qualcomm, but MediaTek is also looking pretty strong. They're only second to the Apple M series, which is just an incredible place to be at. The M series chips are definitely designed for the laptops and iPads, so when it comes to a mobile phone, Samsung is definitely at the number one. Now we have also started to see some final stable Geekbench 5 results of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, and these scores just keep on climbing higher and higher. This is Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 on Xiaomi Mi 13, scoring up to 5343 multi-core, which is very close to the Apple A16. It's like Qualcomm is almost there on Apple A16 level when it comes to CPU, and since they have beaten Apple by a margin when it comes to GPU, this might actually be a better chip depending on how you look at it. Again, all of this will come down to efficiency, which I am hoping is going to be on point on the Galaxy S23 series. These numbers might actually be higher on the Galaxy S23 series because of the higher 3.36 GHz clock speed. All of this is looking super duper exciting. Samsung is indeed bringing their absolute best legendary performance with the Galaxy S23 lineup. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.